Hello students, in the present video session we'll discuss about sign operand multiplication and Booth algorithm. Booth algorithm is suitable for both negative as well as positive operands and provides a 2n bit product for all n bit 2's complement operands. It also handles both positive and negative numbers uniformly. We know that a string of zeros in the multiplier requires no addition but shifting alone is required. The limiting factor in multiplication is the number of ones in the multiplier. The more number of ones in the multiplier, the slower the multiplication process. Booth algorithm tries to reduce the number of additions required when the multiplier has large blocks of ones, thus speeding up the process. So we can compute the product P as m into 2 to the power 4 minus m into 2 to the power n, that is equal to m into 2 to the power 4 plus, I can say that minus means minus m into 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1. So it is an equivalent equation that compute the product which can be obtained by shifting the multiplicand m, that is k plus 1 times to the left and subtracting shifted version of m once. In other words, the product can be generated by adding 2 power k plus 1 times the multiplicand to the 2's complement of 2 to the power 1 times to the multiplicand. So in Booth algorithm, the changeovers from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So we have to consider the changeover which takes place from 0 to 1 as well as 1 to 0. In the multiplier are considered and accordingly the multiplier is reordered. So this is called as recoding the multiplier. So we'll check the corresponding bits, that is bit I as well as bit I minus 1, and we'll check whether there is a transition from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 is appeared, and once again we can reorder the entire multiplier. So that means we have to reorder the entire multiplier. So this is called as recoding the multiplier. This is called as recoding the multiplier. In Booth's recoding, every sequence of ones is replaced with sequence of zeros and a minus 1 in the least significant end and addition of 1 in the next higher position. So what is Booth's algorithm? Booth's multiplication algorithm is an algorithm which multiplies two signed or unsigned integer in 2's complement method. This approach uses lesser number of additions and subtraction than more straightforward algorithm. So the diagram shows the actual flow chart how exactly Booth algorithm works. Initially, we have to initialize the value of register A as well as Q as 0, and we are having the multiplicand M and Q as multiplier, and initial count is N. So each time we have to check the value of Q0 and Q minus 1, If it is 0 0, there is a q naught and q minus 1. If it is 0 1, so we can consider a is nothing but a plus m. A is nothing but a plus m. And if it is q naught and q minus 1 is 1 1 or 0 0, so we are not performing any addition, just we are shifting right all the values like a, q, q minus 1. And if it is 1 0, the register value a will be replaced by a minus m. So a minus m, in the sense, so we have to perform a plus 2's complement of m. And so whenever count is 0, so you can come to end. If it is no, repeat the operation, repeat, and we have to check the pattern q naught and q minus 1. So the table shows Booth multiplier recoding values. So we considered the multiplier q. So this is multiplier q. So bit I is equal to 0 and bit I minus 1 is equal to 0. So in such cases, version of multiplicand selected by bit I, that is nothing but 0 into m, that means no addition. So we have to perform only shift operation. No addition, we have to only perform shift operation of the partial product. And similarly, if bit I is equal to 0 and bit I minus 1 is equal to 1, so we have to perform plus 1 into m, that means perform a plus m, that means perform addition with the partial product, So similarly, if bit I is equal to 1 and this is 0, then we have to perform minus 1 into m, so that means add 2's complement of m to the partial product. And last case is both bit I is equal to 1, I minus 1 is also 1, so that is no addition, just shift it right by one position. So we'll consider one example, and for that we'll assume m is equal to plus 10 and q is equal to plus 14. So now initially we'll perform multiplication operation using normal multiplication procedure. So first I'll take m, that is plus m, that is 0 1 0 1 0 into 14 means plus 14 0 1 1 1 0. So now bit by bit we have to perform the multiplication. 0 into 0 0 0 0 0. Next is q1, that is 0 1 0 1 and 0. Next is once again 0 1 0 1 0. Similarly, this bit, that is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. The last patterns are 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to add this. On addition, we'll get 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. That is nothing but plus 140. Product we computed as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, that is equal to plus 140. So this is using normal multiplication method. So now we'll solve the same problem using Booth algorithm. So I'll take same values. I'll consider m is equal to plus 10. I'll represent using binary pattern 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and I'll take multiplier q as plus 14. That means 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So now I'll write multiplier as it is initially. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So initially I'll append one additional 0 to the LSB position. I'll consider one extra 0 to the LSB position. So now I'll check the transition. The transition from 0 to 1. Transition from 0 to 1. So that means plus 1. 1 to 1. That means 0. 1 to 1. Once again 0. 1 to 0 minus 1. 0 to 0, that is 0. So this is nothing but Booth recoded multiplier. Booth recoded multiplier. So now instead of this q in the problem, I'll consider these values while performing multiplication operation. So now we'll start the multiplication. So I'll write m as it is, that is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 into plus 1, 0, 0, minus 1 and 0. So now bitwise we have to perform the multiplication. So 0 into, the first is 0 into this one, that is 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0, 0, 0, and we have to consider additional 5 zeros, that is nothing but sign extension. I'll consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Additional 5 zeros as sign extension. So next is minus 1 into m. Minus 1 into m means, so we have to consider minus 1 into m, in the sense I have to consider 2's complement of m. So what is the value of m? M is nothing but 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So first take 1's complement of this, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 1. So that means 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is nothing but minus 1 into m. So I'll write as it is in the partial product. So that is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 0, 1, and now I have to take the sign extension. What is the sign? MSB bit is 1. So I will take additional 4 ones. Additional 4 ones. So the next bit is 0. This is 0. So directly I can shift by one position and I can start write the partial product. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Everything is 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. Similarly, one more time it is same. And the last one is 1 into this one m, that is 1 into 1, 1, sorry, 1 into 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 and sign extension is 0. So we got the partial products now. So now we have to add. Now we have to add that. Add the partial product, we'll get 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So that is, I can say that plus 140. So in the present example, I considered both m as well as q as positive numbers. But the Booth algorithm can be considered for positive multiplier, positive multiplicand, negative multiplier, negative multiplicand, positive multiplier or negative multiplicand, or negative multiplier or positive multiplicand. So we can consider 4 different combinations and we can solve the problems using Booth algorithm.